Tuna mac and cheese, or call it creamy tuna pasta. Proteins and starch all in one tasty dish. Using ingredients that don't need a fridge, so great on a small boat or an RV. Ingredients are of course macaroni, canned tuna, canned evaporated milk, grated Parmesan cheese, the grocery store kind, freeze-dried or canned peas, and breadcrumbs as topping. These are Italian flavored for an additional bit of taste. Start with a cup of macaroni into boiling water. Add a quarter cup of peas for color and let that boil for 10 minutes. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. The peas will likely still have a wonderful bit of crunch. Let's use canned evaporated milk, about half a cup, and 2 tablespoons of flour to thicken. Stir well. Half a tablespoon of salt. A tablespoon of oil. Mix that well. Calling this a roux is stretching it a bit, but it works. Drain a can of tuna. Flaked is great and less expensive, and it's going to be broken up anyway. So break it up well. Now, the macaroni is done. Drain and leave enough water to just below the level of the macaroni. The water will form the base of the sauce. Add the milk mixture. Add a third cup of grated Parmesan. Simmer over low heat for a minute, stirring well. The milk with its flour, the pasta water, and the cheese will thicken into a sauce. Add the tuna. Mix and simmer for a minute to heat the tuna. And serve. Sprinkle with breadcrumbs. Garnish, if you wish, for a little bit of color. Enjoy!